Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. In today's video, we will talk about land composition in Pakistan. Means पाकिस्तान की ज़मीन में कौन कौन सी खसूसियात पाई जाती हैं, पाकिस्तान में कैसी लैंड है. Students, here is a column showing the land of Pakistan, that how the land is divided. Forest 5%, poor scrub and wasteland 16%, irrigated agricultural land 37%, or mountain desert 42%. Let's discuss these lands in detail. First is forest. Forest area of Pakistan is only 5%, while the designed world standard is 25%. This shows that a lot has to be done to increase the area under forest. The most important remaining forests are in the north. Most of the other forests are of smaller trees which are still used in villages, mainly for firewood. Some trees grow along the banks of rivers and canal where their roots help to stabilize the soil. Some trees are grown in specially irrigated land. The timber is used mainly for building, paper making, furniture and sports equipment such as cricket, bats and hockey sticks. Pakistan had to import more than Rs 23 million worth of wood for building and industry in 2005. Uncontrolled cutting down of trees is a major problem in Pakistan, especially in the north. Now come to the importance of trees. Trees are vital for the soil, especially in hilly country. The roots bind the soil together. But more importantly, the leaves allow rain to trickle slowly onto the ground beneath. If the trees are removed, the heavy rain hits the soil directly and washes it away, and leaving stony and infertile land behind. As you can see in this picture, this is a land with stones, and this land is infertile, means crops cannot grow here. Next point is deserts and mountains. Students, how much of Pakistan area is covered by deserts and mountains? 42%. Can agricultural activities be carried out in such areas? And if not, so why? It is because the land is infertile. Infertile means not good for growing crops. Infertile, sandy in deserts. It is hard and rocky in some parts of the mountainous areas. Moreover, the climate is extreme, very hot or very cold. However, some farming is possible on the lower slopes. In some places, especially the Thal Desert of the Punjab, the government is working on large projects to reclaim the desert by irrigation and turn it into usable farmland. But this is very expensive. Now let's discuss about waste and scrubland of Pakistan. 16% of Pakistan's area is covered by waste and scrubland, where only tough grass or shrubs can grow in the poor soil. Agriculture is not possible but this region can support herds of sheep and goats, and this is the main occupation of people living here. Last point is farmland of Pakistan. Farmland is 37% of the land area, mainly in Punjab and the Indus Valley in Sindh, is covered by farmland. 2/3 of the country's population lives in the countryside, and their main occupation is agriculture. Pakistan exports raw material which is obtained from farming, such as cotton, which is our largest export. Agriculture accounts for 85% of Pakistan's total exports. You got all these points? Hope you got it. Okay, now at the end, students, here are 2 questions for your homework. Question number 1 is, people who use wood for construction and fuel cut down trees without much thought. How does this affect forest? जो लोग वुड को कंस्ट्रक्शन पर्पस के लिए और फ्यूल के लिए काट देते हैं और इस वुड को यूज़ कर लेते हैं, इसकी वजह से फॉरेस्ट पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है? As we discussed in this video and in previous video related to that topic, due to the indiscriminate cutting down of trees for fuel and construction, the forest which were once natural vegetation for Pakistan have shrunk in size and are only 5% of ground cover as a result. And the soil is damaged and washed away by rains and floods. Trees, if planted to replace those cut down, take many years to grow and mature. Understood? Question number 2 is, why is firewood needed in some parts of Pakistan, and what is the government trying to do to solve this problem? पाकिस्तान में जो फायरवुड है मीन्स जो जलाने के लिए लकड़ी काम आती है, जो लकड़ी जलाने के लिए यूज़ की जाती है, वो उसकी कुछ एरियाज़ में क्यों ज़रूरत है और गवर्नमेंट ने इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या स्टेप्स लिए हैं? सो firewood is vital in many rural areas for fuel, for cooking and heating, because there is no electricity or gas available. People used to cooking outdoors find it difficult to adapt to a